this is 1 day time frame. So if you want to select like 1 hour ka time frame, you can select it from here. And one more important thing is you have the star marks from here. So you can add your time frames to the favorite. So for example, if I want to add 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame as a favorite, then I can see the favorite time frames here itself. So I can switch in between the time frames very quickly. There is no need to go to the drop down in that case. And even you can deselect it if you want to remove it from here, the favorites. Okay. So in the favorites, you can add any number of time frames. So these are the mostly used time frames while trading.
Okay. Is there any recommendation who should use which time frame?
Yeah, definitely. That is based on what type of trader you are. If you are a scalper, then you will go for 1 minute time frame and 3 minute time frame. This is the trading time frame I am talking about. So basically, there are two types of time frame mostly. One is the trading time frame and one is the parent time frame. So I'll first tell you what is the parent time frame and trading time frame. So parent time frame is the time frame which you mostly use to see the trend of the market. Okay. And the trading time frame is the time frame where you actually take entry and exits, where you actually trade. So what is the logic behind it? You first see the parent time frame, maybe before the markets, you see once the parent time frame, and you decide what is the trend. Okay. What is the trend of the higher time frame? And according to the trend you trade into the your trading time frame. Okay, so mostly if you trade with the trend, there is a high chance of winning basically. Okay, so this is the difference between trading time frame and parent time frame. So for a scalper, your trading time frame can be 1 minute and 3 minutes. For a day trader, your trading time frame can be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. And for a swing trader, so swing trader is a trader who can hold his trades for some hours or for some days. Okay. So for them, the time frame is hourly, 1 hour. And in case of commodities, if you are trading with commodities, so you can have a time frame as a 4 hourly. And if you are a positional trader or investor, so you should go with the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame.